Hello, in front of me I've got PowerA Enhanced wired controller. In this video I'll show you how to program buttons. In the beginning, make sure that your controller is connected to PC or Xbox, and now press and hold this button on the back of the controller until LED light starts blinking. Now select button on the front of the controller and now press AGL or AGR button to map it. And it's done. To reset it, press and hold this button and next press button you previously pressed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.